Well, despite the unrest here in the city, phase 1 of reopening from the COVID crisis will go on as scheduled tomorrow morning, 5 a.m. And that means construction and manufacturing can resume. Retail stores can start curbside pickup. But the protests have created a new layer of uncertainty for some businesses. News 4's Checky Beckford live on the Upper East Side with the challenge of this reopening now and how the subway is going to be different starting tomorrow. Checky.
Yeah, Adam, and we're actually seeing some of those changes tonight. We saw crews downstairs putting down social distance pacers on the platform, as well as crews cleaning the Q train. It's all ahead of 400,000 riders expected to get back on trains tomorrow morning in the push to reopen the city, as the push to reopen the city begins. A socially distant New York City subway system preparing for the start of the first phase of the city's reopening Monday.
With the situation that's going on as far as the virus, and we have to come back and we have to get back to work.
We're working very hard to keep our system clean. We've significantly accelerated our car cleaning efforts. We're disinfecting stations twice a day. We're doing everything that we can to keep New Yorkers safe.
New York City Transit and the MTA says there'll be full service on the subway except for 1 a.m. to 5 a.m., the overnight shutdown. They'll also be requesting employees stagger shifts, using floor markings to encourage social distancing and providing hand sanitizer where possible, plus a new air filtering system on key subway lines. 400,000 people could return to the city, the last region to begin reopening in the state.
I'm ready to come back now.
The industry is allowed to reopen Monday: construction, retail, and manufacturing. And at least one council member says the MTA should be doing more. Councilmember White-Anis Rodriguez says that he'll be holding a news conference tomorrow to call on the MTA to open the subways from 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. because he says people need to be able to get home from work. We're live on the Upper East Side. Checky Beckford, News 4 New York.
Yeah, they've been shut down for that disinfecting. Checky, thank you. Another step forward for New York. Outdoor graduations are going to be allowed starting June 26th across the state. Social distancing measures have to be in place. Ceremonies are also going to be capped at 150 people. And New Jersey also allowing outdoor ceremonies. Theirs start July 6th. The number of deaths from COVID-19 continues to climb, and in the U.S. alone now, more than 110,000 people have died from the virus. More than 400,000 people have died worldwide because of coronavirus.